I got a good idea for you. So it's like I will give you these two files. So these files are called Excel file. Okay. So you just basically click the words. You open it up, and you can see it has a lot of rows, and this we call it the columns. Okay. So the first column, this is a number. Okay. In the future, you're gonna put a lot of words. Okay. Here you just put the words, the new words here. Okay. You don't have to do it with the text file. Okay. Just this Excel file, it's easy. So basically, okay, the sequence is like, okay, if you have more words, putting down here, you just select, you maybe select just, wait a second. So, okay, so in the future, if you have like more words putting here, and you can see this part is blank, okay, you basically just select the tools, and then you just drag down, okay, drag down, and then you can see the numbers will show as a sequence, okay, because you can see here it has a like a cross sign, okay, a little cross, and the cross will become dark, and then you can put the words here, okay, you know what I mean, and then you can put the pages here, okay, you can put the pages here. So for example, if you have a lot of words and they are in the same page, and so you don't have to type like 12 12. No, you don't have to do it. We have an easy way. Like you just select two of them, they are in the same number, okay, you just drag down with this black cross, okay, and you can see they're all 12, okay, it's somehow easier. And okay, so this part, okay, these parts are like, if you find this word, if you find this word from dictionary, you just give it a sign of V, like, check it. But this one you didn't find it from the dictionary, and you just give it the X, is like, cross. That means you didn't find it. So in the future, we will have a lot of, like, something like this. So we will have a lot of data, like something like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, I will just give you an example. Okay, so let's do this way. Okay, so anyway, so in the future, okay, we will have a lot of words, okay, and also here shows the pages, like here shows like the status, like you find it in dictionary, and you don't find it in a dictionary. So when you finish this file, you just click this save. Okay, in the future when I have this file, okay, basically I will select this column, and I will click this, and it will give me a sorting. Okay, you can see, and it sorts out like, okay, these are the words you don't find it from the dictionary. Okay, so it's easier for me, to manage. You know what I mean? And also, so basically, you just keep doing it like one by one, something like this. So this is about the words, okay? But remember, every time, every time you finish editing this, okay? So basically, you can make it like smaller. You can just drag it, make it smaller, okay? And then you can put the book here, and you can just type in the words here. And if you think, okay, if you think the words are too small for you to see it, then you can just click this plus. That means it will enlarge the screen. Okay, so it's somehow easy. You just change it, and then just move it. So maybe you can just, do the copy. Just copy all those, like, the words from the txt file into this Excel file. Okay, it's just like this file is easier for us to manage in the future. So every time you finish doing it, you just click save, and then you close it. Okay, and the